Hello everyone, you are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to check keyword ranking in Semrush. Whether you're an experienced digital marketer or just dipping your toes into the world of SEO, knowing how your website ranks in search results can make a huge difference. It is essential to optimize your content and improve your strategy to increase visibility and attract more traffic to your site. So let's explore this process together, step by step. First things first, let's get started by opening a web browser of your choice. Now in the search bar, type Semrush and hit the Enter key. You should see the Semrush website appear at the top of your search results. Click on the link to access the site. Once you're on the Semrush homepage, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is a quick and straightforward process that opens the door to a wide array of tools that can significantly enhance your SEO strategy. After you've logged in, it's time to dive into the wealth of data that Semrush has to offer. Our first stop is the Organic Research tool. At the top of the page, you'll notice a search bar. Here you should enter your website's URL to start your analysis. This feature offers invaluable insights into how your website is performing in organic search results. Now let's focus on the keyword aspect. Navigate to the Organic Research section and locate the Positions report. This report is a gold mine of information, displaying all the keywords your website currently ranks for. It also includes essential metrics, such as current positions and search volumes. This data is incredibly useful for understanding which keywords are benefiting your site and where there is potential for improvement. But what if you want to track these keyword rankings over time? Semrush's position tracking tool is perfect for this task. Begin by creating a new project within Semrush. You'll want to add the specific keywords you are interested in monitoring closely. This setup provides a detailed analysis of how your selected keywords perform on a daily basis. Don't forget to specify your target parameters, such as location, the device from which users are searching, and the search engine. With this configuration, Semrush will consistently track your keyword positions each day. You can then view these results in the Overview tab, which gives you a comprehensive snapshot of your keyword performance over time. By following these detailed steps, you can effectively monitor your keyword rankings and make informed decisions to enhance your SEO strategy. Remember, the more you engage with the data and adjust your strategies accordingly, the better your website's visibility will become. We at PMN Online hope this guide empowers you to master this essential SEO skill. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to check keyword ranking in Semrush. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.